Well, welcome back, friends. Some happy pigs on display yet again. These living beings are taken care of every day. We feed them. They have nothing to worry about at the animal sanctuary. Pigs love to wallow. They commonly will put this mud on their back to protect their skin in the hot days, as this little one's doing now. She is a native orphan pig that we recently rescued, and she really loves belly rubs, as you'll see now. Rolling over, getting her tummy scratched. We really are fortunate to be able to take care of these animals and to treat them as they should be treated.
She's so sweet.
You'll see the other female pig moving into the picture now. She's just about 1.5 years old, also a rescue from slaughter. You know, being around these animals really helps you appreciate things. And here's our newest member of our sanctuary family. This is a newborn male, only a few months old. The mama was rescued from slaughter as well. And the little girl right there to the left, she's just about 1 year old. Also a rescue. Goats have to be one of the funnest animals just to watch and observe. They really are rambunctious and have a lot of fun-loving energy. Isn't his coat just the shiniest? Look at that glare. Well, that's about it for this episode. We really appreciate all of your support. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and keep an eye out for future videos. Thanks.